Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your location on your iPhone. Now, the first thing we're going to do is enter into the settings app of your iPhone. We need to make sure a couple things are turned on in your settings. So let's first just scroll down until we find privacy and security. We need to make sure your iPhone will allow sharing your location. So let's tap on privacy and security. And then at the very top is location services. This essentially allows all of the apps and services on your iPhone to track your location. From here, we're first just going to choose share my location here. And you can see find my iPhone is turned on. If it is turned off, just toggle it on here in addition to find my network and send last location. Those are just good to have on by default. And then we're going to go back and you can see share my location. Again, this should be turned on. So if that's off, just toggle it on. The next thing we need to do is make sure you're allowed to share your location and it's not restricted through the screen time. So let's go back to the beginning part of your settings and then just tap on screen time here. Once you've tapped on that, you can see towards the bottom is content and privacy restrictions. Now, if this is turned on and you can see share my location is set to don't allow, this will prevent you from sharing that location. So either switch this to allow or just toggle off content and privacy restrictions. Now, after you've done that, you can hop out of here. You're good to go to share your location. I'll show you how to do it. The easiest way to do it is open up the Messages app on your iPhone. And let's just say you're chatting with somebody, in this case, just myself. If you want to share your location for an hour or indefinitely, the easiest way to do it is tap on that little plus icon. And then you can see if I scroll down, there is location. It will automatically track my current location. And if I hit the share button, you can see it says indefinitely, so sharing it for forever, until the end of the day or just for 1 hour. Essentially, it will text them that, and as long as they tap on it, let's say indefinitely, and hit send, after you send it, if they just tap on that and essentially open it up, it will automatically start sharing your location. To be able to track your location, they can just open up that Find My app to see it. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.